Mount Shasta, Pony Flat. That's where we're gonna go. All right. Ready to go. Shasta. What is over Northern California? Goes from Sand Flats. We're at Bunny Flat right now. And from Bunny Flat, we're gonna go to Horse Camp. From Horse Camp, we go to the Hidden Valley. Maybe from the Hidden Valley, we might go to the Cascade Gulch. From Cascade Gulch, maybe we're gonna go to there. Not sure. But Bunny Flat, Broadway, and most people start from Horse Camp, go all the way 50-50 Flat or Heron Lake, and then go all the way to the top of the Mount Shasta. And Mount Shasta, Little Shasta, forms a separate peak just under 2 miles to the west of Mount Shasta. Shastina is not so little, earning itself the unofficial title as the third highest Cascade volcano. Say, Mount Shasta is California's highest volcano and the second highest volcano in all of the Cascade Range. In 1854, Elias Davidson Pierce and his party made the first ascent of Mount Shasta. Today it remains one of the North America's most popular mountaineering quests, with thousands of summit attempts annually with only 50% success rate. The altitude, cold weather and high winds on the mountain creates a harsh environment that often turns many climbers back early. Mount Shasta is at an elevation of 14,179 feet. That's where I like the avalanches. And it's like the old ski ball is named after the Mount Shasta ski ball ski area, which operated from 1959 until 1978, when an avalanche destroyed the main chairlift. Subsequent avalanche and environmental lawsuits halted future ski development at this location. Remains of the chairlift base still exist. That's that. And we could go all the way to that particular road, to the old ski bowl area, and now we start our ascent. It's 7 a.m. We start from Bunny Flat, we go all the way to the Horse Camp area, September 20th or September 90th. Start.
I'll eat it and I'll go back to India.
It is very diverse, India, but what unites us is the food.
Nationals and 5 animals.
नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर उटी शेंदुराची
जय देव जय देव